This video should help with any cars which has vent window. To replace vent window or quarter window on Honda, you need to roll down the window itself, then remove the cover from the door. For that you need to unscrew bolt from handle in here, then here and here. There is also a handle which holds this cover. To remove it, you need to unscrew the bolt which holds this handle, and it has hooks which holds the whole thing. You need to just slide toward the windshield direction and release this hook from latch. There is a plastic latch here. You need just slide off from this hook, this plastic thing, and just release it, just push it down. After that, just slide it and remove the handle. After you unscrew these bolts, locate and unscrew one more bolt which is located in the side cup holder right here. You need to remove it also. To remove bolts, use the regular Phillips screwdriver. After you remove the bolts, just go around this door cover and pull it gently to unclip the clip holders around this cover. And just pull this whole cover up and put it aside. Do not forget to disconnect the cable which is connected with handle which has the window regulator knob. Remove vent window frame. For that you need to remove silver bolt which is located on the top of this window. It looks like this one. I already removed it, just showing you that there is a bolt on the top of this frame, like that. Use 10mm wrench to unscrew the bolt which connects this sliding pole to the door. It would look like this one. This metal bracket would be inside of the door, so when you unscrew this, just you need to catch it. To move the sliding pole, you need to unscrew the second bolt which is located on the bottom, and this bracket would be inside of this door. You need to also unscrew it and catch it from inside. You could remove vent window frame without releasing the sliding, or you can call it guiding pole, but you're going to need it later on when you're going to insert this whole frame along this window back. Before removing vent window frame, make sure you disconnect this pin which connects the sliding window frame with vent window frame, and after you remove this pin, you can easily pull out the sliding window frame, and it will help you to move the sliding pole away, so you could easily to reinstall vent window back. I have reinserted new window glass in the frame, and all I need right now is to line up this groove, this metal part of the door, this part, and of course I need to line up this hole on the frame of vent window to the hole on the door frame. The vent window won't just slide in back, you need to install it at a certain angle, like this. So you would line up the groove on the bottom first and just trying to push it back, and it would line up with the frame of sliding window also. I recommend to use you both hands. For the video's sake I have to use one hand, but as you can see it's as easy as you can do it with one hand also. So after I line up this frame, just push it back. When you're going to reinsert back the sliding pole, before that, do not just put it back like this. It would become a mistake, because you need to line up this sliding pole first with sliding window. Otherwise, sliding window will be outside of this groove and it will practically stuck, won't be sliding up and down. So what I would recommend, just pull up this pole a little bit and slide it from top to bottom to make the alignment. This groove is sliding window. With the same rolling move as you would put the boot around your foothill, just move this groove around the sliding window and put everything back.